Welcome to BDG Lifesciences. We are here to help you understand and analyze next-generation sequencing data.
What is NGS? Next-generation sequencing, NGS, refers to high-throughput DNA sequencing technologies that enable the sequencing of millions to billions of DNA fragments simultaneously. These methods have revolutionized the field of genomics by providing fast, accurate, and cost-effective sequencing, which has enabled new applications in research, medicine, and beyond. BDG Lifesciences Private Limited India is a bioinformatics company and is an expert in conducting workshops, training, novel research projects, and courses since 2010. Why to learn this cutting-edge technology with BDG Lifesciences? We are doing different NGS workshops since 2014 and successfully made understand the complexities of genomics data to hundreds of participants who are not only scientists, but students, researchers, faculty and doctors. We have done it online and on-site in India, Malaysia, Thailand, Dubai and other countries. One of the key benefits of joining online is that the mode is English language and anyone can join from anywhere in this world. If you miss any session, then you can catch up with the video recording and do it at your own pace. Our workshops feature a comprehensive curriculum that covers the essentials of data analysis. We will teach you the basics of data analysis, from the fundamentals of genomic data to advanced applications. We will also provide hands-on practice with real-world datasets. This will allow you to gain the skills and confidence you need to analyze your own data. In addition to the workshops, we also offer one-on-one mentoring and consultations. Our team of experts will be available to answer any questions you may have and provide personalized advice. NGS has revolutionized the field of genomics, and considering its vast applications, we are offering different NGS technical hands-on workshops with video recording. Some of them are whole genome sequencing analysis, animal and human genomes of 4 days. RNA-seq transcriptome analysis of 3 days. Exome sequencing of 3 days. NGS in healthcare of 4 days. Clinical genetics variant analysis of 2 days. And many more like antibody sequencing, GWAS, methyl-seq, single-cell genomics, HLA typing, ChIP-seq, ATAC-seq, etc. For more information, visit the mentioned web link. We are excited to be part of your journey to becoming a data analysis expert. Sign up for one of our workshops today and start your journey to success. Our workshops are designed to make the process of understanding and analyzing data easier and more efficient. Don't wait any longer. We look forward to seeing you at our workshops and helping you unlock the power of next-generation sequencing data. Sign up for one of our workshops and start your journey to success today. Thank you for choosing BDG Lifesciences. We look forward to seeing you soon. If you have any questions or want to learn any specific NGS analysis, then feel free to write to us.